All right, so what we want to do here is, first of all, we want to isolate the x plus 5 exponents 2/3 first, and that will be equivalent to x plus 5 exponents 2/3 equals to 18 divided by 2, and that should be a 9. All right. Now, how can we proceed with this? So what you need to remember is, if I have x exponents m over n, so basically this is the nth root, all right, of x, everything exponents m. All right, so if I apply this to my equation, this is going to be equals the cubic root of x plus 5 squared. This is supposed to be equals to 9. And we can identify here the square root property, right? So we have an entity here, squared, all right, equals to a certain number greater than 0. So I can apply the square root property, and square root property is going to give me that the cubic root of x plus 5 is going to be equals to plus or minus radical 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3, right? Now, what I got the cubic root of x plus 5 equals to plus or minus 3. So I can split it in two parts. So it's going to be the cubic root of x plus 5 equals to positive 3, or the cubic root of x plus 5 equals to negative 3. Now, for the cubic root, because the 3 is an odd number, we don't have any problem whatsoever with this. We can go ahead and get rid of the cubic root. And the way to do it is to cube both sides, right? So if I do so, the cubic root here cancels out with the cube. So you're going to give me x plus 5 equals to 27. And if you want to continue to solve, minus 5 minus 5, that's going to give you a 22. On the other hand, I can do the same thing. So I'm going to cube both sides. So you are allowed to cube without checking if the number here is odd. So there is no need to check. So this, if I do so, it's going to be x plus 5 equals to minus 27. And minus 5 from both sides, it's going to give you x equals to minus 32. All right. And that's basically it. Your solution set, final solution set is s equals to negative 32, comma 22. And you have two solutions.